The 2025 Hero Xoom 125R is here, and it's making waves in the world of urban two-wheelers. With its sleek design, advanced technology, and powerful performance, the Xoom 125R sets a new benchmark in the 125 cubic centimeters scooter segment. Today, on Wheel World, we'll dive into everything this scooter has to offer. Design and build. Hero has given the Xoom 125R a bold and sporty design that stands out in traffic. The sharp LED headlamps, integrated DRLs, and angular body panels give it an aggressive yet futuristic look. Its aerodynamic styling doesn't just add to its aesthetics, it also enhances performance and fuel efficiency. The premium dual-tone color schemes and sporty decals make it perfect for the modern rider. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Xoom 125R is powered by a refined 125 cubic centimeters BS 6.2 compliant engine. It delivers a power-packed performance with an impressive balance of speed and fuel efficiency. With smooth acceleration and a top-notch CVT gearbox, city rides are seamless and comfortable. Expect an approximate mileage of 50 to 55 km/L, making it both thrilling and economical. Features and technology. The Xoom 125R is loaded with cutting-edge features. Its fully digital instrument cluster provides all necessary data, including Bluetooth connectivity for call and navigation alerts. The scooter is equipped with Hero's patented i3S, idle stop-start system, for improved fuel savings. Additionally, the segment-first cornering lamps enhance safety during night rides. Comfort and handling. Riding comfort has been prioritized with its telescopic front suspension, adjustable rear shocks, and wide footboard. The 12-inch alloy wheels with tubeless tires ensure stability, while the front disc brakes with CBS provide responsive stopping power. The 2025 Hero Xoom 125R is a perfect blend of style, performance, and innovation, ideal for daily commutes or weekend adventures. Stay tuned to Wheel World for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in the automotive world.